Look at this beauty. Another EV charger fast project. Look at this beautiful Nissan. Look at the color change. Look how it changes color. What's it called, this color?
Northern Lights.
Northern Lights. I tell you what, this car is very well built. Much better than our Tesla. It's an amazing car. Look at this car, guys. Nissan. 87 kilowatt hour battery? That's a lot of battery. Look at that. I love how the wood feature here. These buttons built into that wood. That's really nice. It has a open and close glove box. That's neat, man. Beautiful car. Look, at rear view mirror is actually a display screen. That's regular mirror, and that's the video screen. It's really, really nice looking car. Look at these nice wheels.
Because it's putting so much more drag on the drivetrain, it's regenerating the battery.
So this is an Ariya?
Yeah.
Really nice. Evolve, E-Force. It's really cool. I like this spoiler too, how it brings the air down. What a great car.
Yeah, it's awesome.
This is really nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So what kind of charger are we doing for you?
That's the ChargePoint HomeFlex.
Nice. That's a great charger. I love this charger too. This charger has that great handle.
Yeah, it's good.
It's got that great handle to lock it in. Much better than the Blink. Juice box. Hey, buddy.
About it too is has variable amperage, so it's supposed to monitor if it feels like it's drawing too much from the house. So like if you have like the pool and the air conditioning in summer and you have a lot of, and you're like doing laundry and there's a lot of draw on the house, it's supposed to be able to recognize that and step the charger down so that you don't blow circuits charging your car.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it says.
So it's intuitive, and it could actually determine the load that's coming into the house, and it'll actually modify that load so you don't overload your house.
Yeah.
That's pretty
I
neat.
think it's supposed to be like 15 to 80 variable, 15 to 80.
Now, did
something
you?
like that.
How did you get that? Did we supply that, or
No,
did you?
Amazon overnight.
Oh, okay. So you bought that on Amazon. Okay.
And we verified that they were a ChargePoint authorized dealer. So in case you had any problems,
What is
where
the?
you purchased it from.
What is the? How much was that?
Right
Amazon.
now it's on sale, $549.
$549 on sale. They're coming
Yes.
down only because of the NACS standard. They're changing the industry standard. Even though it's going to be fine, all of our cars have that same, but because they have the NACS, the Tesla, the North
Right.
American Charging Standard, so you can get these at a good price now.
Yeah, and we got the hardwired because we're doing the external.
Yeah, hardwire will get you the maximum amount of
Yeah.
range that
And we
you can.
went with the 48 amp
yeah,
run.
yeah.
So,
That's why you go hardwired, because the
Yeah.
1450p will only go to 40 amp.
Yeah.
So the hardwire will go to 60 amp, and then you have 48 amp
'cause
charging.
We were trickle charging it last night. I just got it yesterday, and we were trickle charging it. And I think it was going to take like 32 hours from like 56% to get to 100% charge on trickle.
Yeah, no, this,
that's
this
not gonna
work.
happen.
But you know what? I have to be honest. That's a lot of battery.
Yeah.
And I have 5 EVs, and our EVs, the maximum are 68 kilowatts. It's a lot of power. So it's important that this is put in properly,
Yeah.
right? Because this is the biggest
That's why
load
we
you're going to
weren't
have in the
doing-
house.
Yeah, that's why we were not going to. We weren't going to, home
That's why
yet.
you hired us.
Yeah. You got it.
Hey, well, Lisa, thank you, and congratulations. Thank you for the work, and
Oh, thank you.
we'll see you in a little bit.
Yep.